Here's my budget media room little tour, just to show the equipment I have and some stuff. I got a popcorn maker, cabinet, mini fridge that I built, bar behind the couch that I built also. Bought the bar stools off Amazon. Big nice couch from Ashley Furniture, cheap but very comfortable. I have a Epson 4010 projector. In walls for side surround are the big 8-inch drivers. I have a top rear Atmos right now. I guess I'm just mono price. 8-inch in ceiling speakers. Ceiling, as you see, is a Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. Got a couple sound absorbers. That's my next big project, working on getting some of those, and some diffuser panels also. The side walls and ceiling 8-foot back are wrapped with 2x4 plywood with velvet. Silver Ticket 150-inch acoustic transparent screen with clips 6502s for left and right, and JTR center speaker. For subs, we have 11 JBL CS1214s. They are all sealed enclosures, firing towards the wall, wrapped in velvet, so they disappear when you have all the lights out. Under the couch, I'll show a picture. There is 3 JBL CS1214s just mounted to the couch for low frequencies, 20 hertz and below. These, with the mic and measuring, go down to roughly about 18 hertz. So these under the couch pick the rest up. So I have in my closet, have the Monolith 3x200 for the left, right, center. Denon 42X, powering everything else. Have an Xbox Series X, the Panasonic 820. Have a iNuke NX6000 powering all 11 JBLs. Have the iNuke 3000 powering the 3 under the couch, just low power on those, about 50 watts each. Also have DirecTV, Fire TV, and that's about it. All the fans are for keeping everything cool, of course. Cable management is definitely my next go-to also. I'll get the curtains blocking off the other room again, but turn off all the lights, show you. All right, here's the theater with all the lights off. As you can see, great picture from a budget 4010 projector. All the subs are hidden, you can't see anything. Pitch black pretty much in here with a black ceiling. And this is it. Little media room we love and enjoy.